So, first test run of one of my few new NeXTstations. This particular one is a NeXTstation Turbo Color. This one is a Turbo Color Station 2. Also looks not that nice and damaged fan. Here are two other ones, one mono station, one turbo mono. Well, they all came from a lot of old Next parts. Well, yeah, let's turn it on and hope it won't blow too much stuff away, but looks good. Yes, yeah, this one looks good. Sadly has no startup sound, but this maybe, I'm not sure what this can be due no hard disk installed also. Well, anyway, as much as it is damaged, well, it seems to work. Awesome. Yeah, no network load. Anyway, looks good. This one works. Yes. Good. Now let's try the other ones. At least this one. Yes. Let's have a cut. Oh. Oh. It tries to access the floppy drive. Well, good.